Dentists are my biggest nightmare. Phew! I swear I'll brush my teeth way better. My toothbrush seems so heavy in the morning. It weighs a ton. Oh no, it really is gigantic. Cut the handle off a cleaning brush. Trace a big toothbrush template on a piece of Styrofoam. Cut it out. Hot glue another layer of Styrofoam. Mark arches and cut out a toothbrush handle. Smooth out the edges. Trace the brush on top. Make a hollow with the tip of a hot glue gun and hot glue the brush into it. Coat the handle with acrylic paint. Holy cavities! What happened to my toothbrush? I can brush my whole face with this! Phew! Thank God I was just seeing things. I might still be dreaming. Oh gosh! What happened to the toothpaste? Hot glue one side of an insulation tube shut. Attach a big hair conditioner container to the other side. Wrap the tube in foam paper. Attach it with double-sided tape. Fold up the edge of the foam paper so it looks like a tube of toothpaste. Cover the joints near the tip of the tube with a strip of foam paper. Attach a printed toothpaste label. Add shaving foam, acrylic paint, and gel laundry detergent to slime glue. Make slimes of 3 colors. Use toothpaste as inspiration. Place the slimes into the container. This tube is more than just a family pack, but instead of toothpaste, I'm suddenly covered in slime. Ew! I don't want to brush my teeth with that! Redhead manages to brush her teeth with a regular toothbrush and toothpaste, but her cup became the size of a bucket. Cut the rim and the handle off an old plastic bucket. Use a heated utility knife. Cut strips out of a foam sheet and attach the foam paper to the bucket. Make it look like a toothbrush cup. I need to rinse my mouth. Oof! I ended up taking a quick shower instead. How refreshing! What a hard day. I'll need some soap to wash off this fatigue. A lot of soap. Cut strips out of foam board. Attach them to the bottom of a big tray. Coat the tray with acrylic paint. Cut a memory foam cushion to be shaped like a bar of soap. Trim the edges with scissors. Cut a soap label out of foam paper and attach it to the memory foam. Place the foam soap into the big soap dish. First, wash your hands. Or even better, wash this whole day off your body. Showering with this soap is so satisfying. Foam and steam are the best stress relievers. Phew! I'm not tired at all anymore. The wind blowing through your hair makes you look romantic and messy. What a nightmare! Now my hair is more like a scary wig. I need to untangle this problem. A regular comb won't help. Thank goodness I always have a royal extra large comb ready to go. Trace a big comb template on a piece of thick cardboard. Cut it out with a utility knife. Coat it with acrylic paint. Cut a decoration for the handle out of glossy sticker paper. Attach it to both sides of the handle. My giant comb quickly tackles this big problem, and my hair looks flawless again. Not a hair out of place. Thanks! That was delicious! But all this food doesn't want to leave my mouth. Hey, get out of my teeth! Where's my floss? Well, that wasn't very helpful. It's so thin. I wish I had bigger floss. Cut a hollow styrofoam ball in half. Mark a line on one half so it's 2 inches higher than the edge. Cut it along the line. Make 2 identical pieces. Draw parallel lines and cut the parts of the ring so it's shaped like a horseshoe. Fasten the pieces with double-sided tape. Wrap them in white foam paper. Attach a cap made from the cut-off part. Make a cut in the strip of foam paper under the cap. Pass a silk thread on a bobbin through it. Attach a fastener made out of glittery cardboard so it looks like the one on a floss container. Pass the thread through it. Cover the front side with foam paper. Attach a label. Add a flap to the cap. Oh yeah! This is more than just dental floss. It's a rope for your teeth. It'll clean your whole mouth, even the ghosts of your baby teeth. Redhead is happy. All the food is gone. Oof! Fixing a car is so messy. All my clothes are covered in oil. I need to wash them. Just one tiny detergent pod won't work. I need something bigger. Cut soft, clear plastic. Outline 2 drops along a template. Color them with acrylic paints and coat them with acrylic polish. Wrap the edges in parchment paper and seal them with a heated flat iron. Pour water over some Orbeez balls. Let them soak. Place the Orbeez into the plastic pocket and seal the hole shut with a flat iron. Now that's how much detergent I need. Move, clothes! The Queen of Laundry is on her way! My body needs a nice scrub too. It's not that easy to wash off these stains. I'll have to try harder. Come on, loofah, add some foam. Just a little bit more. Oh, now that's the size I need. Fold a piece of thick tulle in half and sew it. Gather it. Pinch it in the center. Make 2 identical pieces and tie them in the middle with a thick cord. Shape a knot with a loop. Fan out the edges to make a fluffy loofah. My loofah became big and fluffy, but now there is too much foam. Help! I'm being attacked by my soap! Redhead has a secret superpower. When she's done, the toilet paper magically disappears. I wonder why. There you go! No toilet paper again? Hey, anybody! Help me! Can you bring me a roll of toilet paper? This has to stop! This roll of toilet paper will last for a long time. Unwrap 2 rolls of paper towels and place them onto each other so they overlap. Use white glue to fasten the edges of paper towels onto a parchment paper tube. Wrap the paper towels over the tube. Make 1 big roll out of 12 rolls of paper towels. Wow! What a huge roll! This toilet paper is so soft! I guess I'll stay here for a little longer. Did you like our giant bathroom accessories? Then comment below which giant accessories you'd like to have. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new giant makeovers from Troom Troom.